Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to the Hill Apartment project. If it is your first time seeing this project, you've missed a lot, but I have everything in my playlist. You can go to my playlist and then you can check it out how we started with this apartment project right here on the channel. Especially for those of you that are building on a steep hill or building on a mountain. You will learn a lot from this project. It will also save you a lot of money, right? Because you really need to see, the foundation of this project. And for my day one viewers, of this project, I say a big thank you for staying with us, from all the way from the ground floor all the way to this, part of this project. I really do appreciate you guys here so much. So today I have an update. The last update was with the roofing, and this time we have Frank on site to fix the burglar proofs.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Gigo production team. I am Mighty Hand Metalworks. And I have a PM Kaswa Hill project. This how the site is. As you can see, no windows yet. Yeah, the other day now all the way from Tama to Kaswa. So this is Frank, the raster for you. Yeah, Frank and Gigo production team, Mighty Hand Metalworks, as we call our company. Yeah, and then just a view. We are just a view of the area. Yeah, that's the ocean we are seeing. Right. Perfecto. Kumpiri. Belajar. Twitter. Woo.
So that's Frank, Mighty Metalworks and his team there. As you can see, they've installed most of the burglary proofs. Frank is not only into burglary proofs, he's into gates, doors, anything metal in your construction. Frank is the guy to consider. He does amazing jobs. And if you go to my playlist, we've done so many jobs for clients, right? So in the playlist, it's called Mighty Metalworks. And Frank, you can see a lot of designs there. If you're interested in any of them, you can just make a screenshot, send it to him, and then he will come do quotation for you. But his prices are very reasonable, right? As I said, it is a production team, so we try to make things easier for clients so that we keep working on site. So please consider, Frank, if you are doing your burglary proofs or anything metal, either your balustrade, if you want to use like metal, for your porch, Frank is the guy that you have to, check out. Like I said, if you go to my playlist, you see the designs. As for the designs, I'll be showing some of it later on for you to see. So that is the update of the Hill project. That's how far, we've come with that project. There will be more updates in the future, so just keep watching, the production group. So from there, this is Frank's shop, right? So this is another design for another client. I think it's from the channel, and Frank is making video to update the owner of the project, how far he's going. That's something that Frank does, and I really love that. He will keep you updated step by step all the way from the workshop before he goes to your site. So he's not just going to fix the things and then come to your site to kind of like install them, right? So stage by stage he'll be updating you so that if there's any changes or what you requested is not what he's doing, there's chance of changing it.
These are the places as we came to meet. Yeah, and we have displayed our burglar proofs. Yeah, to their various windows. So very soon we shall start fixing them in. Yeah. Why they go? Ah, okay. Talk Amelia say we no work tomorrow. We go can't continue. Yeah. So this is how we started, from the top to the down. Normally back from the top, from our head to the toe. So from the third floor to the second, and then to the lastly. So this is just the beginning. Stay tuned with Mighty Hand Metalworks and also Gigo Production Team. Thank you. You can call us. You can call on us for all your quality metalworks. Thanks so much. So this is the second floor. Yeah, as you can see, the third floor burger proofs has been taken. Yeah, the masons need to do their dressing, then they install it back. The reason why we do it so is we don't want to mount scaffold that long height before, so they will just do the dressing whilst we have the joint, those that are entering the concrete. Yeah, we have the joint there cut, so after the dressing they will just take it off and then put back the burger proof.
So here Frank was trying to explain one or two things to the client. As we always say, we try to let you save cost. So instead of renting all the scaffolders, which is going to cost more, I mean, they have a way of doing it so that you don't have to rent all those things, which is going to add up to the cost, right? So that's Frank for you. And he always gives an update every step on the way. He shows you what we are doing, right? So, I mean, the owner is not in the country, so we have to keep, the update going.
Yeah, preparation going on live. Yeah, Mighty Hammer Towers workshop ni preparation ni koso. Ame adoma ebe load way sharp. Ochina ya call down live. Adam for more inspect why Mighty ni ya the handwriting for eba. Allah. Ale. Ya shaba idiso. No matter the matter.
Yeah, Frank is very friendly. So these are some of the gates, that Frank has been doing for our clients. I mean, like we've done so many designs, or they are all in my playlist. If you go there, you will check them out. This is to protect your air condition, and also the burglar proof. If you want it open as a window, it's also possible. And I mean, this is what I was talking about for your porch, any design you want, right? If you want a butterfly, even if you are, a football fan and you want the logo, of your football team, Frank can get it done for you. I mean, Frank is very amazing. He's also talented, right? So this is also another project we did for a client. So consider Frank, right, in your plans. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.